Good morning students. Today I will go with class 8 math. Students, today I send you maths assignment of chapter 14 exercise 14.1 and it is started from question number 9 and the question number 9 was if the three angles of a quadrilateral are equal and fourth angle is 120, so find the angles who are equal. So Raje, this is the shape of a quadrilateral like this. So here are four angles, angle 1, 2, 3, angle 4. So dear student, these three or any three angles are equal. Let us, these angles are x and the fourth angle is 120. Dear students, let three angles is equal to, let three angles is equal to x and the fourth angle is 120. So we know that the sum of these four angles is equal to 360. So add these four angles, x plus x plus x plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. So add these three, put here 1, 2, 3. So 3x plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. So shift this 120 towards right hand side, its sign will be changed into negative. So 3x is equal to 360 minus 120. 360 में से 120 माइनस कर लो, 0. 6 minus 2 is 4 and the 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3x is equal to 240 degree. X is equal to 3 is multiplied by x, then 3 will be divided to the other side. So 240 divided by 3, divide कर लो राजी इसे 3 से, 8 3s are 24, then 0 will come down, 3 zeros are 0. So x is equal to 80 degree answer. So measure of equal angles will be 80 degree. Then the 10th question is, if the sum of two angles in a quadrilateral will be 180, what will be the sum of another two angles? Then 360 minus 180 will give you 180 degree. So here answer is sum of the other two angles will be also equal to 180 degree. So question number 11. Question number 11. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle and 0 is a point in it. OP, this is OP and OQ are the drawn perpendicular to the sides AB and BC. So perpendicular means these angles are of 90 degree. Then if angle B is 65 means this angle is of 65 degree. Find angle POQ. POQ. We have to find this angle. So students, if you will watch clearly, three angles are given here. So we will add these three angles and then we will subtract from 360. Why? Because POQB forms a quadrilateral and the sum of four angles will be 360 degree. So 90 plus 65, that will give you 245. Then 360 में से 245 क्या कर दो, माइनस कर दो, वो वैल्यू आ जाएगी आपकी एंगल पी ओ क्यू की। आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू यू। नेक्स्ट सम इज सम नंबर 12। फाइंड एंगल एक्स इन ईच फिगर। इस फिगर में इस एक्स की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, so add these three angles, subtract from 360, then we will get the measure of this angle. Now angle x and this angle will make a linear pair, so subtract from 180, you will get the value of x. And the second part, these two angles are of 90 degree, so 90 plus 90 is 180, 180 में 60 प्लस कर लो, 180 प्लस 60 240, फिर उसको 360 में से माइनस कर लो, यू विल गेट दिस एंगल। आई थिंक दिस कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर टू यू। देन वी विल गो विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन इफ ईच इंटीरियर एंगल इज, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 135. So here we will do here interior angle is given. Suppose there is a polygon, we don't know the sides of the polygon. First of all we will find the exterior angle. जो भी आपको दी हुई है वैल्यू exterior angle, first of all subtract it from 135. मीन्स सपोज दिस इज अ पॉलीगन, ये बाहर वाला एंगल गिवन है, यू हैव टू फाइंड द सॉरी इंटीरियर एंगल इज गिवन, यू हैव टू फाइंड द एक्सटीरियर एंगल। देन 180 में से माइनस कर लो, यू विल गेट 45 डिग्री। सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द रेगुलर पॉलीगन इज 45. Then we have to find the number of sides. Then 360 को डिवाइड कर दो इस 45 से। We can write here for table of 45 by adding, or we can multiply and check where this 360 has come. It will come at 8. So number of sides of a polygon will be 8. I think concept is clear to you. All the parts you will do like this. So practice by yourself. I also already gave to you answer. So thank you and have a nice day. That's all for today. Thank you.